Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today in our DIY kitchen, we will be learning how to make perfect caramel. Into a hot pan, add sugar, sprinkle some water. The tip here is to sprinkle some water now and then to keep the sugar moist. Once the temperature hits the boiling point of sugar, the sugar starts melting. Once the sugar starts to caramelize, the mixture will turn brown and when it's completely done, our caramel is ready. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Press the red button and the bell icon for notification. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Our handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.